use social media for customer service because it's affecting your business whether you are involved in it or not. Hey, what's up everybody? So in order to use social media for customer service and just to manage your word of mouth in general, you need to monitor across multiple channels what's being said about your company, your competitors, your products, your services. People don't always interact with you directly. And people may be talking about your products and services that don't even know you exist. So those are things that you can involve yourself in. And so what you need to do is make a plan. Make a plan to address good comments, every good comment, address bad comments, solve customer problems and complaints, and provide customer assistance, and cultivate a positive brand image. Make a plan to do those things on social media and your business would be better for it. So go do that, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.